Rigor here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. Another windy day here in South Florida. You can probably hear the pounding in the background. After 6 months, people are still fixing roofs from the hurricane. Well, I've been working away this week on the Grady White, putting in new wood in various places. I'm going to go over kind of a summary of what I've accomplished this week. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. As you can see, I'm taking and putting new wood, getting it ready to put in the boat. One of my subscribers suggested before I put fiberglass on the wood that I coat it with resin. I've been fighting with little dry spots, and it appears, as he suggested, that the wood absorbs the resin and creates dry spots. So when you're covering wood, take and put the resin on first, let it dry for an hour or two, and then recoat it and put on the fiberglass. So that's what I'm going to do here next. This is a piece of wood that goes in the starboard side in under the deck. So that's where this goes, and the same for this little piece right there. Just a little side note here as I hide behind a palm tree from the wind. Thought I had a dryer problem. It seemed to be causing my jeans to shrink. Actually, I investigated it further, and it wasn't the dryer. It was the refrigerator. I need to stay away from that thing. So I've got the deck on. I got to put the cover on. We're getting rain tonight. I've got this section of floor ready to go back in. I've got the wood put in below it, and this is the old glove compartment. I have taken and put a piece of wood in, and I got a layer of 1708 on it, and I'm slowly working away on parts of the dash. But that's kind of secondary. I just do that when I have time. I have taken a lot of the trim off the cubby holes here. I'm slowly taking that out because one of the next things, I've still got to do the stringers underneath, but I need to start putting this piece of wood in here, and because I need to crawl in and fiberglass the back of this piece of plywood. So next thing here, I bought today some foam. I've got these areas right here that have to have foam pulled in. I've got a foam poured in it. I've got a quart of foam from the local marine store, all of $45. So I got to do this side and this side. Of course, this side I've got to get that piece of wood in, which you just saw. So that's progress so far. A lot of these things got in the way, but I keep on working away at it. That's what all the banging's about. Putting on another roof. And as you can see, that house still needs more roof work. On the other hand, this past week, I finally got the top screens replaced on my pool enclosure. All the hurricane repair has been done. Last week was a road trip. I drove basically 2,700 miles. I had to fix the sewer on my other house. It clogged up. It's kind of been a pain the second time. So we're back here now working on the Grady White. I hope you enjoyed this short update. If you did, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.